Making your own zippers from zipper roll is a fast, easy, and economical way to make zippers the correct size for any project that you have. The way that you decide what zipper tape you want is by the application. There's larger, heavier duty zippers for more upholstery weight, outdoor applications, things like that. There's medium weight zippers, which is what I tend to carry for my home deck sewing. And then there's lighter weight zippers for clothing. So just make sure you check into what is the right zipper tape for your project. Here I have some zippers made from zipper tape. This is a traditional zipper with the coils that kind of show on the outside, and this is an invisible zipper. As you can see, they have the exact same elements in common: a zipper pull, zipper tape, and I'm going to show you today, if you want to put a fabric zipper stop up on the end, you can do so. Most places that sell zipper pulls also sell little matching metal stops that you can put on the bottom, but I personally have found that to be not a necessary item to buy. You can either whip stitch with a needle and thread to create a stop, or if you want something really heavy duty, you can create a fabric stop, and that's what I'm going to do on these. When you cut off the zipper from the roll, it's going to look like this. You're going to want to make sure that whatever size zipper tape you buy matching zipper pulls, because they do come in different sizes. Putting the pulls on is really easy. For the traditional coil kind, you simply push it onto the top, separate it a little bit as you're pulling like this, and you've created a zipper from a traditional style. The invisible zipper, a little bit different. You start by separating the zipper by pulling it, and there will be a direction on a lot of these zipper tapes, so pay attention to that, what the top is and what the bottom is. I have another video that just shows how to put this pull on, a little bit better of a video, just putting on an invisible zipper pull. If you want to check that out, I'll link to it. You just unroll it and you feed each side in individually, and then kind of work the right side and left side up a little bit like you just saw. I'll grab the top and there's my invisible zipper. Let's put a tab on the bottom. All right, we're going to start with a little scrap of fabric. This one's about 1.5 inches wide and about 2.5 inches long. Basically, about twice as wide as your zipper. We're going to start by just folding your long ends in, like so, and take the end of your zipper and we're going to center your zipper under your little tab of fabric like this and sew across. You can sew right over the teeth, just go slowly and be careful. I'll move the camera over to the other side, might be easier for you to see. So now you should have something that looks like this. Fold it over like that, turn it over, press in a little fold like that, and bring it up to or just above your stitching line. Now we're going to stitch through all layers and around all 4 sides. Obviously, you can be a lot more careful and a lot tidier if you care about how nice your edges look or your tab looks, but this tab is not visible. This is just strictly for function, and it will be completely hidden in whatever project you're sewing it into. So it just looks something like that. And the main purpose is that it will give you a really, really strong reinforced bottom where there's no chance your zipper pull or your zipper slide will come off the end of your zipper while you are working on your project. For more tips, tricks, techniques, and tutorials all related to home deck sewing, please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and happy sewing.